Tonight at 6, a former University of Cincinnati police officer now charged with murder following the shooting death of a man during a recent traffic stop.
And now we have learned 2 other officers have been put on administrative leave as a result as well. Now, the entire incident was recorded on the officer's body camera. Birchelle Edmay is asking questions about the use and legality of the controversial devices, which could have impact on a local case.
Some local police departments here already use body cameras. Others are exploring their options to purchase them. But no matter what position the departments are in, there are always questions about the cost and legal consequences. Body cameras. Some want it, others don't. Montgomery County Sheriff Phil Plummer is all for the cameras. He's now investigating a traffic stop with no footage. The 2 deputies involved shot and killed Dante Martin.
How do you think body cameras might have changed your response or even your investigation?
Well,
if you had them.
Yeah, if you had a good, in our case, a good picture of what happened. You know, the officers are saying the guy pointed the weapon at him. We have 5 witnesses that say they heard the officers numerous times telling them to drop the weapon, drop the weapon. Hopefully it would have been captured. But don't forget that was also at 1 o'clock at night. So what kind of night quality do we have?
That's just one question. There are others, like what happens to the privacy of a victim or suspect. That's a question officers and attorneys alike are asking. Anything that's recorded would be public record. That means a traffic stop or a response to your home for a heart attack would be viewable to your next-door neighbor. Attorney Michael Wright is representing Dante Martin's family. He tells me
it could be a problem. That's something that everyone is going to have to work through. But this interaction, when people end up dead and there is no documentation, there's no recording, I think that's a bigger problem than the privacy issue.
Sheriff Plummer agrees there's a bigger issue at hand, and he thinks his deputies will embrace a change that would benefit the public and law enforcement.
Do you think they want them? Do you think they want to be videotaped as they work in Montgomery County?
I think they do, since a lot of them are under the gun, under scrutiny, and I think it'd be good for the public to see what we go through. I'm all about recording and transparency, so we're not opposed to it at all.
Montgomery County says body cameras could cost them $500,000. The sheriff tells me a second version of Panasonic body cameras are on the way, and they'll be testing them here in a few months. Meanwhile, in Dayton, you still have a day left to fill out a survey about your opinion on the police department and body cameras. We have that information for you on WDTN.com. Birchelle Edmay, 2 News, working for you.